How to add college, high school, or university on your Facebook profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add college, high school, or university on your Facebook profile. First off, you're going to have to go ahead and open Facebook. And from your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon that is right besides what's on your mind. Now the next step is to directly visit over to your profile details. Tap on see your about info, and then you have your category, contact info, work, and then you have your education. So I've currently added my education right here as University of Oxford. If you want to add another school, you can go ahead and tap on add secondary school and then select your name. Click on the search, and then you can easily search for your school. Once you find it, you can just go ahead and tap on it. Select your graduation year, and once that is done, tap on save. And if you want to add another university, you can do that as well. And if you want to share this to your feed, you could do that. I'll just tap on share, and my school has been added. You could also add university. Select your university name. You could also add your concentration of what you studied, your start date, end date, and if you've graduated, you can toggle this button. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.